Okay, Jay, you just passed your driving test. Congratulations again. Can you tell us what happened during the test? First of all, what happened before the test? What questions the driving examiner asked you at the beginning of the test?
They asked me like, have you read about the conditions about the driving test here? Yep. And yeah, he was a great person. He just like tell me like what is gonna happen, like you're gonna turn left or turn right. And yeah, we did some manual as well. For example, that I did is a U-turn and the reverse straight back. Yep.
Okay, U-turn and reverse straight, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What questions the car controls at the beginning of the test? What questions did he ask you about?
They asked me how to like check the seat and how to change the mirror, the left and the right one, and the hazard sign and the aircon. Yep.
Okay. Did you go to highway?
No, we didn't go to highway. I think because of the weather today, that's why we didn't go to the highway. Yeah.
It was raining today, and did you put your wiper on? Did you turn on the demister? What did you do to cope with the rain?
I put the wiper on, but during the test, the rain has stopped, so I just like turn it off. Yeah, and when you come back to the green slope testing driver, it's starting to rain again. Yeah, so I just turn it on. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Your test was at 1:10 in the afternoon, so you didn't have to worry about the school zone, right?
Yes, I don't worry about it. Yeah, that was the examiner said too, before the test.
Okay, great. And so you're from Thailand, Jay. What do you think? What are the challenges that Thai people face when they drive in Australia?
I think it's shoulder check, because in Thailand, like for example, I have experience driving in Thailand before, and I have never learned about shoulder check before. But when I start learning how to drive here, this is the first important thing that we need to do, because sometimes we have the blind spot. We have to check like at the left and at the right side. Yeah, that's the thing.
Great. What recommendations do you have for people who go for the driving test?
Don't be scared. Yeah, do it by your own. Do your best, and just keep concentrate to your examiner. Yep.
Cool. Can you say that or add something else to it in Thai language for Thai students?
Right. โอเคครับก็มาสอบกันเยอะๆนะครับไม่มีอะไรยากไปกว่าเกินกว่าความสามารถของเราครับ Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.